So ito po yung naging problema niya. Barado na naman mga kalodi cakes. Oh. Grabe. Ito po yung mga kabit sa likod. Dito.
Oh, you so weak.
But you're not using your drying, right?
No.
Nalabas na lang siya. Ano po drying?
Kasama sa
But I checked the thermostat, it's okay. The problem is this one, the hood.
So we can't move anything.
So that doesn't deliver to me.
I can move.
Assembly. Sa bumi kasi kami عشان كم سنة بين هذا يجي آخر فلتر
نعم.
سوي دي ووتر
الحين نركب فلتر بس
نفس هذا يجي عشان هو هذه دي تاني جديد مو سيم هو هذا ستينلس هذا ما أكل منه بس ما في مشكلة ما في هذا بس فوق تحت هو كويس بس فوق هذا بس وسط فلتر هنا بعدين هنا جوا
هذا أنت تحت معك؟
لا بدي أنا هنا الحين أنا سوينا دافع هنا بعدين أنا فوق هنا بس لازم فوق هنا برضه كله كامل عشان أنا فوق كله أوكي بس تعطل شوية بوسة شوية بس أوكي filter ayun yung naging problema ko it's clogged. So ito po yung naging problema niya, barado na naman mga kalodi cakes, no? Grabe, ito po yung nakakabit sa likod dito. So nililisan natin ito mga kalodi, tapos back to normal na naman po. Dumi niya, no? Galing po yan sa loob. Yan. Grabe yun. Dumi niya. Sa lapat to, may lalabas na tubig to. Okay, nalinis na. So yeah, we already cleaned it. This one, the filter. So we're gonna put it back on the filter. Let's go.
Freedom. Freedom. What? I need you. Maybe I'm falling for you. Maybe I'm falling for you. Maybe I'm falling for you. What? I need Maybe I'm falling for you. 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 I need you.
Guys, there's a problem also with the filter, so we're gonna remove it and clean it. This is the reason why it's coming 4E error. So I already removed the filter. Here it's now. So it's too much dirty. This is the reason why it's not draining the water inside your drum. So you must clean this one every week. Make sure before you wash, you should open this one after wash also and clean it. Otherwise, it will not work your pump proper or not remove the water inside your drum. This is a must, okay? So I'm gonna clean this one with the water. So it's too much dirty. See? This is the residue coming from your soap. Okay, we already done cleaning the filter, so now we're gonna put it back. Then after that, we're gonna test the washing machine. So again, this is a Samsung fully automatic washing machine. It's 13 kilo. Okay, so we're gonna put it back. So when you put it back, there's a pattern here, then there's a grip there inside. You must put it proper, so otherwise it will not close proper also. Okay, that's it. Then turn it clockwise. After you hear the sounds, so it's done, it's closed proper. Okay, that's it. So now we're gonna test it. Okay. First we're gonna unplug this one, the supply, electricity supply. So make sure all the hose is intact. So we're gonna test it now. So again, before it's 4E error, it's related for the water. Okay, we're gonna put the non-quick wash only, so it will not be too much time. So the machine now, it is start, it's warming up now. See, it's warming up on the system. After that, it will gonna refill the water. So again, my friend, the problem of this washing machine is 4E error. So now it's refilling water. Okay. It's refilling water. Alright. I hope it will be fine now. So again, the problem of this washing machine, it's only the filter, it's already clogged, so we already declog it. So I'm sure it will work proper now. Okay. This is the filter, it's already intact. Okay, now it's starting washing. Okay. Alright, we're back. So as you can see, it's working proper now. Okay. Again, you're on the quick wash program. 27 minutes left. See? There's no more error now. It's working proper now, the washing machine of our customer. Alright. So again, we already do the task now and already done for this washing machine. We already fixed it. Alright. As you can see, it's washing good now. Okay, so we're done here. It's all fixed now. Thank you very much for all my supporters. Thank you for watching and supporting my YouTube channel. Alright mga Kalodi Cakes, so well done. Already fixing for the washing machine of my client today, for my customer today. So the problem of his washing machine, it's coming 4E error. So as you can see on what I do to his washing machine, we just test it before we do the opening at the back or in the filter. So that's my procedure. I need to do first checking before I do something for the washing machine. So if we come back, what I did do, I just find out that there's a problem with his this one, the filter connected on the pressure switch sensor, which it's too much dirty. It's clogged by the residue or remaining soap or powder that did not dissolve proper. So what I did is just only remove that one, disassemble and clean. As you can see on my video, it's too much dirty. So that's the only cause of his washing machine. That's why it's not working proper. So sometimes it's stopping by himself, and then it's appearing 4E error. So sometimes if you did not clean also the filter on down, so it will affect the performance of your drying mode, and the spinning, it will not spin proper. So after that, it will finish program. You will see that, and you will notice that your clothes is still wet. So due to this one, the filter at the back, it's clogged. So anyways, we already done for today. So the customer is happy now. So he appreciate that we do, although it's my off today. So I just came by and dropped for his house to fix his washing machine. So anyway, thank you for supporting my YouTube channel. So if you have any comments or question, please don't hesitate to comment down below on my comment section, and please subscribe and like my video if you like my video. So anyway, I'm just leaving now. Thank you for watching my small video for today. So that's it for today. So just keep in touch and tune for my second video. I will upload it again. So next time we have another client or another customer that we will check. This is like another company. It's called Haam. I think it's a China made. So I will just upload the video maybe 2 days or 3 days after. Thank you and good vibes always. Have a good time and have a nice day to you. Thank you for supporting.